This is a gentle practice that you can start your day with, you can end your day with, or you can even use it as an afternoon reset to stretch and to get into your body, to connect the body, the mind, and the spirit, to give yourself a little bit of energy and also or relaxation. So let's come into tabletop. And in your tabletop, let's start with some cat-cows. And as you do this, inhaling, taking the gaze high up to the heavens, exhaling, tucking your chin to your chest. If you wish, close your eyes. Moving with your breath, make this a little moving meditation, whether it be the beginning of the day, the middle of the day, or the end of the day. Tapping into the connection between the body and the mind, and allowing your breath to bring in the prana for whether it be the need of energy or the need of relaxation. Take a couple rounds on your own. Maybe the eyes are closed. Make it like a moving meditation. When you're ready, come to a neutral spine. Curl the toes under and press up into downward dog. Make any movements in your downward dog that your body calls for. Maybe it's coming up on the tippy toes and you may hear a little crackle. Maybe it's walking out the dog. Maybe it's wagging the tail. Whatever your spirit calls you, that will bring you to the connection of your body, creating what it is you came here to practice, that desire. Together, let's take a deep inhale and sigh it out of your mouth. At your own pace, do that 2 more times. And when you're ready, gently bring the knees to the ground, coming back through tabletop. Step the right foot in between your hands and inhale the arms high up to the heavens. You can pause here with the arms extended, fingers high up to the heavens, or listen to your body intuition. Maybe it feels comfortable for you to come into goalpost. Maybe your body is calling you to make big circles. Follow your intuition. Make it a moving meditation practice. Maybe your eyes are open, maybe they're closed. On the next inhale, bring both hands on either side of the right foot. Bring the right knee back into tabletop. Pause here a moment. Step the left foot in between the hands and move however your spirit calls you. Maybe the fingers are high up to the heavens. Maybe it's goalpost pose. Maybe it's big circles. Whatever serves your spirit connection to the body. On the next inhale, bring both hands on either side of the left foot. Bring the knee back through tabletop. Pause here a moment. Come up into downward dog again. Long, deep breathing. Yogi's choice to come forward into plank and to do a full chaturanga, or maybe knees, chest and chin to a little cobra or upward dog. Listen to your body, knowing what your body needs, and then coming back into downward dog. Downward dog is such a beautiful, powerful pose. It can create relaxation. It can help with anxiety. It can help with energy. It's there to support you, ground you, and is a perfect posture that you can practice even all by itself anytime during the day. Now bring the knees back down to the ground. Gently step the right foot in between the hands again. This time, resting the hands on top of the knees and pulling the pelvis forward. Inhaling, opening the chest, bringing the gaze high up to the heavens, and just stay here, long, deep breathing. On the next inhale, release the hands. This time, take the right shin down to the ground. We're coming into pigeon pose, and gently extend your left leg out straight behind you. Inhaling, maybe you'll stay here today, but following your body intuition, if it is drawing you and calling you to come down onto the elbows, or maybe even the head onto the ground, whatever suits your body, mind, spirit connection, releasing into the pose, releasing any tension in the right hip, and letting go of anything that truly doesn't serve you. Inhaling the hands, pressing up, bringing the head in alignment with the neck, the shoulders, and the spine. Gently sitting onto the right hip and taking the left leg over, crossing the left foot on the outside of the right knee. Inhaling to a straight back. Yogi's choice, maybe you wish to stay here. Maybe it feels right for you today to lift the right arm high up to the heavens and take the elbow around, twisting to the left. Maybe it's in your practice to put the right elbow on the outside of the left knee. Whatever serves you, following that body intuition. Inhaling and releasing, coming the opposite way for a gentle counter pose. Bringing the body back through tabletop, curling the toes under, coming up into downward dog. Whatever your spirit is calling, maybe it's long, deep breathing, maybe it's a sigh out of the mouth. Listen to your body intuition. Coming back to tabletop, pausing there a moment, bringing the left foot in between the left hand and the right hand. Inhaling the hands up onto the knee. And with a deep inhale, opening the chest, tucking the pelvic bone forward, taking the gaze high up to the heavens. Long, deep breathing. On the next inhale, bring both hands down on either side of the left foot. Take the left shin and knee in front of you, moving into your pigeon. And in your pigeon, checking that the right leg is in line with the right hip. And moving with your breath and moving with intention to wherever the body wishes and wants to release. Inhaling, pushing up on the hands and bringing the head and the neck and the shoulders in alignment with the spine. Coming over onto the left hip and taking the right foot around. The right foot goes on the outside of the left knee. Inhaling to a straight back. Follow your body intuition. Maybe this side is different than the first side. Maybe it's the same. Honor your body. When we bring the breath into the connection between the body intuition into the body, this is how we fill the body with prana. We release stress, or if the body needs energy, we increase energy. On the next inhale, release, coming the opposite way, counter twist. And from here, come into a comfortable cross-legged position. And with a straight back, inhale. And then exhale, just gently walk your hands out in front of you, folding forward and allowing gravity, the ground, the earth beneath you, to support you, allowing the head, the neck, and the shoulders to completely release down, feeling that comfortable, gentle stretch in the back. On the next inhale, pushing up. And gently, when you're ready, crossing the legs in the opposite direction. And with that straight back, a deep inhale, gently folding forward and allowing yourself just to release and let go. Inhaling, lifting the head, the neck, and the shoulders. Placing the feet on the ground, bending the knees, and gently roll down onto your back. If it's comfortable for you, bring the knees into the chest, hug them in. Massage the lower back. Placing both feet on the ground, lifting the hips and moving them slightly over to the right. Bringing the knees back into the chest and allow the knees to drop over to the left. Bringing the right arm extended out with the right shoulder touching the ground. Long, deep breathing, relax into it. Inhaling the knees back up to center, hugging the knees in, and maybe even touching your nose to your knee, making any micro movements that resonate with the connection to your body intuition. And then placing the feet on the ground, gently inhaling, lifting the hips over to the left, bringing the knees into the chest, and gently drop the knees over to the right, and allowing the left shoulder to stay grounded. And as you pause here, connecting to your breath, before we go into Shavasana, I invite you to, once you move into Shavasana, to stay there if you wish. It's your practice. It's your body, mind, spirit connection. So before we move into Shavasana, remember to hit the like button and leave a comment. And in the description, there's other links that you can connect with me live for my live classes weekly. And there's additional links to click on to learn about my events that you can join me and sign up for. Inhale, bring the knees to center. Hug them in one last time. If you wish, bring your nose to your knees. And when you're ready, release the legs down to the ground and allow yourself truly to let go and to relax into this Shavasana. Stay in Shavasana for however long your spirit calls you. And I thank you with all my heart for joining me today. And I wish you many, many blessings of peace, light, love, and joy, and all the blessings of abundance your sweetheart desires. Now release